The dog. Can you see the dog?
Yeah.
You're right, girl. That's my dog. Okay, I've got Renato with me today. We're going to have a look at some geography very quickly. Okay, Renato, you know South America.
Yes, I know.
Does it look normal to you?
Yes.
Very normal?
I don't think so.
It looks okay though. I mean, there's North America, okay. Canada, the United States of America, Mexico. There's Central America, Guatemala, Nicaragua. You've got Honduras in there somewhere, and Costa Rica, Panama. And then we have South America, okay?
Okay.
Is that how you remember South America from maybe your geography lessons at school?
Yes, I learned it a long time.
A long time ago?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Okay. How is your memory?
Not so good.
Not so good, okay. It's going to surprise you, but you think that's normal, yeah? That looks pretty normal. There's North America, there's South America.
Okay.
Is that in the place that you remember it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Some people are saying that South America has moved.
Okay.
Do you think that's possible?
I don't know. And maybe seeing the map, but I don't know to say if it is true.
Okay. But it looks normal to you.
Yeah.
It looks normal to me, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. But there's many people now saying that a lot of the countries or a lot of the places in the world have moved around.
Okay.
Yeah. People are saying that South America used to be more over here.
Okay.
Yeah, not so close to Africa.
Okay.
Okay. Let's have a look at Australia, okay? Okay. So, okay, there's Australia. Got Australia there. That's a little island called Tasmania. You know Papua New Guinea?
No.
Do you not know this geography? That's Papua New Guinea there, okay? That's New Zealand.
Okay.
You know New Zealand. You know Australia.
Yes.
Australia has a little island there, Tasmania, okay?
Okay.
How does that look to you?
For me, maybe this place was moved.
Okay, let's just make it a little bit bigger there. Which bits have moved? Anything? Oops, sorry. Point with the mouse. Use the mouse. Okay.
Maybe this place moved from here.
Maybe that's moved a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Does everything else look normal?
I don't know.
Okay. Right, some people are saying that Papua New Guinea used to be further away, much further apart. Okay? But you're not sure about that, no?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
What about New Zealand? You know New Zealand.
Yes.
Does that look normal to you?
I don't know, Ted.
Okay, well I'm telling you that people are saying that New Zealand used to be up here.
Okay.
Okay? Now, what I'm going to say now is that I've never met any. I go online quite a lot and chat to different people on my YouTube channel, a little bit on Facebook and Twitter. Okay, but I've never met any New Zealand people saying that this has moved.
Yes.
No. And I've never met any Brazilians or any South Americans. I don't know why it keeps doing that. It's just, I'm using my old mouse, so it's doing strange things. I've never met any South American people that are saying South America has moved. Who do you think might be saying these countries have moved?
Sorry?
Okay. Lots of people are saying New Zealand has moved, okay?
Okay.
But I've never heard any New Zealand people say that New Zealand has moved.
Okay.
Who might be saying, who is saying that New Zealand has moved?
The people, the other countries.
Which other countries?
Maybe United States of America.
Okay.
Yes.
I've never met any South American people. You know, I speak to lots of people in Brazil.
Mm-hmm.
I've never met anybody in the church or in town or my students, nobody who thinks that South America has moved. Never heard anybody say that. Have you?
Yeah. Yeah.
You've heard people say that?
Yeah. Yeah. The America moved from South Africa.
America's changed position.
Yes.
Okay. Who said that?
In the school when I was
you mean that the continent here used to be in there?
yeah. Exactly.
Okay. No, I'm talking about something that was like maybe thousands of years ago.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No. People are saying that South America has moved this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't hear about it.
Nobody said that here.
Yeah. No.
Nobody in Brazil.
No.
Okay. Okay. Who do you think is saying that South America has moved?
I don't know.
Have a guess.
Maybe NASA, United States.
NASA?
Yeah.
NASA, yeah?
Yeah.
The space people?
Yeah.
Okay. You think NASA might be saying that?
Yeah.
Okay. Or just people in the United States?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Why do you think people in the United States would say that?
I don't know what the reason.
Okay. People are saying lots of other places have changed as well, okay? People are saying that Mongolia is a different size and shape. Well, it is because China has taken over. Mongolia used to be like this, okay? All that plus that and some parts up here, okay? But China has taken some of Mongolia and so has Russia. So Mongolia is smaller than it used to be, okay? Okay. Now people are saying that Japan looks different, looks a different shape.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you know anything about that? Does Japan look different to you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How does it look different?
Maybe more small.
Smaller?
Smaller, yeah.
Okay. Have you heard of the Mandela Effect?
Mandela Effect?
Mandela. You know Nelson Mandela?
Yeah, I know.
Have you heard of the Mandela Effect?
Effect.
Yeah, Effecto
I know. I never heard about it.
Never heard of it, no?
No.
Okay. Okay, so the people that are saying that the countries have moved, they're saying lots of other things as well. Okay? They're saying that all the not all the movies, they're saying some movies have changed. The words in the movies have changed. Some other places, like the names of supermarkets and shops, have changed their names. They're saying that some of the products have changed. Okay. Now they're also saying that the words in the Bible have changed. Okay.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
I think that everything can change, but the word of the Bible can't be changed.
Why do you say that?
Because the word of the Bible is eternal.
Eternal, okay. Okay, thank you, Renato. Good. So yeah, I think if you ask any Brazilian about the Mandela Effect or about South America changing position, they're going to tell you the same thing. Yeah, that we've never heard of this here. I mean, I've heard of it because I'm English speaking and I'm online with American Christians and other people, well, Christians mainly. So I've heard of this. Obviously I heard about it quite some time ago. But if you... Renato, just for one more minute, okay? If you said to if you went to the church and said to the pastor that some of the words in the Bible had changed, what would the pastor tell you?
Maybe some pastors can say that the word of the Bible can be changed.
Automatically, overnight? Or do you mean, how do you mean? Tell me what you mean.
Yeah.
How?
How?
Yeah, how can they change?
I don't know your question.
Okay. If you went to the church, okay, any church in Brazil, okay, and you spoke to a pastor and said, Pastor, I think the words in my Bible have changed, okay, what would the people in the church think?
For me, most of people in the church can think that it's true. The word has changed.
They can think it has changed. How can it change? Shh! Hey. 1 minute. I'll have to edit this out, okay? Okay. Okay, let's start that again. Okay, so if you went to a church in Brazil, okay, any church, could be any, well, there's lots of evangelical churches, and if you said to the pastor or anybody in the church, okay, I think is it possible for the words in the Bible to change? What would they say to you?
They can say that the word can be changed.
How?
How? How? I don't know, but I think that they can say it because they don't understand very well the word of the Bible.
Okay. If you said, okay, let's take an example, okay? Okay, I've got a Bible here. Matthew chapter 14, okay? Where are we? Okay, Matthew chapter 14. I can't remember which verse it is there. Okay. Okay, Matthew chapter 14, verse 24, okay, it says, "But the ship was now in the midst of the sea." Okay? Now, if you told the pastor that last week it didn't say ship, it said boat,
Okay.
what would your pastor say to you?
Maybe boat.
You think that's possible?
Yeah.
How is it possible? How can the words in your Bible change from last week to this week?
Because of the translation.
Ah, the translation.
Yeah.
No, I mean in this Bible.
Oh, no.
I mean, if I had this Bible, okay. If I had this Bible, okay, and I said to my pastor, Matthew 14, verse 24. Today it says ship, but yesterday it said boat. What would the pastor say?
It's not possible.
Okay, why?
Because the word is just one and the word is eternal.
Okay. And it's not possible to change in my...
No.
So would any pastor say the same or not?
If the pastor knows very well the words of the Bible,
yeah,
they will say that it is impossible to change them.
Okay.
But if the pastor don't understand very well,
okay, so if the pastor doesn't understand the Bible,
yeah,
he might think that's possible.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. We'll finish that there then for tonight. Okay.